What's up, YouTube? It's the Internet Income Ninja with another amazing video for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a database that you can find awesome jobs earning $17 to $57 per hour. Yep, $17 to $57 per hour. If that's something you'd like to do, stick around, watch the entire video. Also in the description there are some links that show you how to set up a legitimate business where you can earn and decide how much money you earn each and every day passively. You set your system up. It's not a get rich quick thing. It is a legitimate system where you leverage the power of autoresponders, of different software, and you promote products, and you're able to build yourself a legitimate online business that earns enough money for you to work from home passively. So if you are indeed interested in setting up your own online business, then click the link below to sign up for a free webinar and see what is up to offer. You need to make an educated decision, so don't take my word for it, find out for yourself. Now, these are affiliate links, and purchase of any product in the affiliate links does give me a commission, so I'm grateful for that. But just wanted to make that clear, and let's get into the video. So this particular website is called Jobs to Careers. So that's JOBS number 2 CAREERS.com. Okay, and like I said, it's a database that allows you to find jobs available online, in person, in various cities in the US. So my bad for you international people, this is just for the US only. Alright, I'll get you guys next time. But let's say I wanted to search by categories. You could find business services, restaurants, manufacturing, transportation and logistics, customer service, retail, healthcare, gig economy, and more. Let's see what more has to offer. Alright, so as it promises, they do post new jobs every single day. Alright, so Amazon has posted. So they want an HVH warehouse team member, 20 to 40 hours per week, so part-time to full-time. Part-time product tester, you'd earn, whoop, my bad. So they're urgently hiring, and they posted this 13 hours ago, so they really need people. So this is for the New York, whoops. Alright, well, that loads. This is for the New York area. This next job offer, part-time product tester. This is for the New York area again, and you'd be earning $25 to $45 per hour, and you'll be working from home. All right, so up to $8,800 per week. Administrative assistant or data entry clerk from home, part-time and full-time. Apex focus group. There's UPS warehouse worker, bilingual customer service rep, Spanish. Newark, New Jersey, the Home Depot, lot associates. So you'll be working in the parking lot, or you'll be working outside. From working at the Home Depot personally, there are things they'll sell outside, like those trailers that you tow behind your pickup. Those are stored outside. Things like certain lumber items, certain types of equipment are stored outside. I guess you'd also grab the trolleys, put them where they're supposed to go, stuff like that. Alright, but yeah, there are a bunch of jobs. Travel team selector, Capstone Logistics, Jersey City, New Jersey, $21 per hour. Now if these prices or payments per hour aren't something interesting, then I don't know if you know what interesting is. Not many people online are willing to pay $22 per hour and up to $45 per hour, like this job does, $25 to $45 per hour. So guys, jobstocareers.com, check it out. Find something online, make something of yourselves, save your family, earn money during the pandemic. You can still make money. You can still make money. Alright, check the links below. Like I said, they are affiliate links. Just enter your name, email address. That email address and name is just so we can update you on what's happening in that particular field. Make an educated decision. Sign up for the free webinar. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.